was a young lad, I used to like girls. I'd play with their goodies and fondle their curls, till my girlfriend ran off with a sailor named Bruce. Well, you'd never be treated that way by a moose. And it's moose, moose, I like a moose. I've never had anything quite like a moose. I've had many lovers, my morals are loose, but I've never had anything quite like a moose. Now when I'm in need of a very good lay, I'll go to the closet and get me some hay. Then I'll open my window and spread it around, 'cause a moose always comes when there's hay on the ground. And it's moose, moose, I like a moose. I've never had anything quite like a moose. I've had many lovers, my morals are loose, but I've never had anything quite like a moose. Gorillas are alright on a Saturday night. Lions and tigers, they puts up a fight. And it's just not the same when you slap their caboose as that feeling you get when you're humping a moose. And it's moose, moose, I like a moose. I've never had anything quite like a moose. I've had many lovers, my morals are loose, but I've never had anything quite like a moose. I went out to the desert, a moose for to find. I only found camels, I near lost my mind. Still a camel reminds me of moose just a bit, but a moose always swallows and camels just spit. And it's moose, moose, I like a moose. I've never had anything quite like a moose. I've had many lovers, my morals are loose, but I've never had anything quite like a moose. Now when I was younger, I read dirty books. I play with myself while my little bed shook, for nothing else would make my eyes start to twinkle like that feeling I get whacking off to Bullwinkle.